In this tutorial I will show you how to make a crochet poncho dress. It's a simple pattern that works up fast, and in this video I will show you how to make size small medium, but on my website you can find instructions for all the other sizes which are almost the same. You can find the link in the description below. For this pattern you will need 2 balls of scarfy yarn and crochet hook 10 mm. We will start with a slip knot and make 64 chains. Slip stitch in the first chain and make sure the chains are not twisted. In the first round we will make 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, make another single crochet stitch, then we skip the next chain and we repeat this around till the end. At the end of round 1 you will have 64 single crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch in the first stitch, cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Flip your work and attach yarn on the other side of the chains. Round 2 will be worked in the same chains as round 1, but then on the other side. So repeat round 1 and make 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch in a chain. Repeat this till the end. Round 3 till 11 we will work 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch in each chain space around. I will see you at the end of round 11. I just finished the first 11 rounds and we will now work in rows, which means we turn our work at the end of each row. Row 12 till 21 we will start with a slip stitch in the next chain space. Then we chain 5, which counts as a double crochet stitch and 2 chains, and then we make 1 double crochet stitch. Then in the next 12 chain spaces we will work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. At the end of the row we turn our work. I will see you at the end of row 21. Row 22 till 31 we will start with a slip stitch in the first chain space, and then we work 7 chains, which counts as a treble crochet stitch and 3 chains, and then we make another treble crochet stitch. In the next 12 chain spaces we will make a treble crochet stitch, chain 3 and make another treble crochet stitch. At the end of each row we will turn our work. We just finished our front panel, and for the back panel we are going to skip 3 chain spaces on both sides because that's going to be our armhole. So go ahead and skip 3 chain spaces and add a stitch marker in the chain spaces where you need to start and end the back panel. The back panel is the exact same as the front panel, so we are going to repeat row 12 till 31. All you need to do now is sew both sides. So make sure both seams match, and you will need to leave open 6 inches for the armhole. So go ahead and start at the bottom, work your way up, leaving 6 inches open, and then weave in all the ends and you're done. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and this way you will get notifications when I upload new patterns. Hope to see you next time. Bye!